I don't know how many other people out there have a generator that has no, it's got a choke, sorry, it's got no primer. So you can't pump for fuel to get to the carby to prime the motor before trying to start it. This never starts, and I've always got to take this cover off and prime it with some petrol into the carby. So what I started doing, I got some Start You Bastard, good old Start You Bastard, and I'd just spray a quick squirt into there, and then that primes it to be able to start it up. So what I'm thinking of doing, so I don't have to take this off every time I want to start it, I've measured from that point down 30 mil, and from that point across 12 mil to get to that point. I've made my dot there, 30 mil down, 12 mil across. That's my dot to line up with that hole. I'm going to use my drill, same size as the squirter hose that connects to the Start Your Bastard. Good name. So I'll be able to drill this hole, have it through there permanently, stick it into there, and all I've got to do is connect that, give it a quick squirt, and don't have to keep taking this cover off. So this is all good in theory, so I'm going to see how well it goes for us, eh? That's in the hammer. Oh. You don't want a big open hole here and sucking dust through your carby, so I'm going to do it like this. Make it a nice tight fit. A little bit looser than that. Perfect. So when I put that on, that there should line perfectly into that hole, which it does. I might snip that shorter so it's not sticking out so far, but let's give it a try first. So that can permanently just stay like that. I don't have to take this off all the time. I can just connect this to that, give it a quick squirt, make this on, put the choke on. That's how it's done. I have to keep taking this off. Hope that helps anyone out there with the same problem.